brand new. I like that's a steal deal. $150.
Really?
You ship it?
Are you really thinking about?
I think we ship it. I think we ship by the toilet. What do you think?
Okay, here we go. Go time. It's go time. It's, all right. Look at this big line of people in this tiny little 1,200 square foot house. Hey, how are you? Oh. 125.
Yeah, yes.
Pricey. Pricey.
Okay, let you take the box of all of the
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, that?
Yeah.
Huh? 95.
I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna write sold on of it, and if you will.
Look at that.
I know.
I don't know the games I know. And this one's 150.
If you will write your,
I mean, the games are decent. I'm gonna go look around a little bit.
write your name and phone number. Sure, absolutely. Do that, write your name and phone number.
45. Okay. Nice. Oh, this is still plugged in. When all else fails, just yank it. Nope. Oh, daggone it. There we go.
Sorry, excuse me.
There's 45. That Burton snowboard in there is $70. So I don't know what kind it is though. So
Yes.
Okay, ask Ashley. Just go tell her that you're getting that and show her your thing.
excuse me.
Go finish. This is. Hold it.
One of these white things?
Yes, you have it.
And, no, I don't have any of them.
Oh, I gave you the ones with the little, the fun, the.
Grab the Pokemon card.
Okay, yeah, put those back.
Boy,
Oh,
All right,
Huh?
all right, let's see. You see, you tear the bottom
Oh,
part
really?
off and you leave the top part.
Yeah, so
That's
this
okay.
is
All
it.
right, that's right, right. So you've got the armoire,
Oh,
and then you have a
Is that a chair?
chair.
And the.
I don't know what's good in Pokemon cards if I'm being honest.
And then
Marmoth. Rain jacket. I think that's good.
you got those little soul things you had. Oh, those little soul things you had.
Ooh, not good.
15's not crazy, yeah?
But it's also not worth.
Getting up early for this?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you got you a new bag though.
I kind of like it, but
Oh, you where'd you come from?
the games.
Yeah.
That were overly priced. Like, what are you making? 30, 40, 50 bucks on that? Maybe? Or 100.
Yeah, so,
No.
so maybe you're making $50.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Oh, really?
that's if it actually.
Let's go.
That's if it actually.
Yeah.
Is that sealed?
Yeah. It's sealed. It's like 52.
Really?
Yeah.
And Those adults are
And that thing's like, how much is that? 85?
Oh, it's 65. It's a $90 amp.
Just a little heavy.
We'll leave it to you.
All right.
It's still right there, right? Like no one's moved it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That bowl is $5, right?
6.
And then we got
The Brother printer
Brother
for
printer
45.
45.
Hey,
$50.
that Wii U and the Fender amp in there, would you do a deal on
We're
that?
full price right now.
Okay,
We'll
gotcha.
price tomorrow.
Okay.
That's
All right.
I don't know what that $12 is.
It's just a little high. A little bit high. Yeah. A little bit high. Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow? Oh, okay. But in basement,
Stay number 3.
let's do it. Is this how you do 3?
Huh?
Is this how you do 3?
Hey, how you guys doing? Hey. What's happening?
How about that?
Next, Mike Wolf and Frankie.
I gotta shoot for higher than that.
Okay.
That means we break up in 8 years or something. Because they broke up.
Yeah.
Yeah. People love them now.
Huh?
People love them.
Apparently not.
Aren't those good?
Huh?
Did you guys try to buy those? It's not our repertoire, but this is cool.
I didn't know what they were until we looked them up. Everything's negotiable today.
Oh, what's the cup say? Everything's negotiable, Derek.
Yep.
Well, let's,
Except for that.
except for this.
Except for that. Vintagey though.
Huh?
Smells like vintage.
Like there could be good records in there?
No. Oh, how about that toilet? How much for the toilet?
The Kohler toilet? I don't know. Both my house my house has 2 toilets in it.
Jake, what do they say?
What do they say?
What do you guys buy? We buy anything except for the toilet. But if it's a good price, we'll buy that too.
That's right. It's already in the box.
Is it in the box?
Kohler. Are you being serious right now?
Say what it goes for.
Round toilet seat.
Brown toilet seat?
No, round. I'm not seeing any toilets on here.
No one's crazy enough to just ship it.
Don't want to follow us. We haven't found anything good yet. We're bad luck.
Basement's back there, out there?
Huh?
I think so. I thought.
Basement's
Yeah.
outside, you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the good stuff?
This is when they say it's all good.
I know.
Yeah.
Always. They always say that.
I don't like the way they laugh when you're like, is that the good stuff? And they're like,
She's like, yeah. Don't waste your
We
time.
took that before we started the sale.
Oh, how about this, Derek? 150
I
bucks.
could use a little more height in my life.
Oh my.
This is like an interesting layout.
Yeah.
Oh my word, this is like back in the Civil War days. Look at this.
They just got wet for some reason. Jars. They were getting ready for the apocalypse.
Oh, I need a mask down here.
Oh, yeah, it's really dusty.
Oh.
This is where the Grail's
This is where
at.
the Commodore is.
Ooh. I hate how sensitive I am to nasty smells. I really.
I think so, buddy. I don't think so.
Oh, I don't even know if I want to buy that blimp. It's so bad. Oh, Porter Cable, that's a good brand. If you like to buy cheap.
Yep.
Is that GameCube? That GameCube lot with 10 gigs.
Crazy. This is like one of those things where you see like a rat running across that plastic back
And then
there.
you running.
Like a hand sticking out of the wall.
Yeah.
buried the body.
Yeah, that too.
Derek would run so fast. Get out of here. Oh my. Oh, let's get cut. It's about to be trade-in time. So most of these are things like we can sell for what? $3 to $5, $10.
Yeah, $10 free shipping.
Free shipping on eBay. So too much work for us. Not that much money. These guys give us some good trading credit. We can trade for like much better stuff.
That here maybe.
Yeah. So let's see how much they give us.
Rolling in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you guys for coming along with us today as we hit multiple estate sales. This is one of our favorite ways to source.
Killed it!
Got to get there early for the most part, but sometimes we find really good stuff even hour, 2 hours into the sale. So you never know what you're going to find. So this is just a little bit of the stuff we find. We'll go really quick through some of these things and like why did we pick these things up. So
this is one that we saw at like our second estate sale. They had it for $4. I believe it is brand new in the box. Sells for like $50. So killer flip actually.
Legos, Lego architecture. These are more like the adult Legos. So they're usually super complicated, a lot of pieces, but these are famous buildings around the world. These can be really good.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, that's what they are.
I didn't know.
Yeah, so this is pre-owned, but it looks complete. We'll check that before, but $6 goes for about 40 to 50 bucks.
While we're on the topic of Lego architectures, this was at the second estate sale we went to. Same as where we got the microphone. Another Lego architecture. This was $100, but it is brand new sealed, and it sells for like $300 to $400. There's only 2 right now listed online that are brand new, and they're both listed for like $500. So we'll just undercut them, listed for $300 or $350. And there's like 20 or 30 that have sold in the last 90 days. So
Yeah.
well,
Derek's favorite thing, brother printers.
I wouldn't say that.
I know most people are afraid to ship something so big and so heavy, but Derek, is it that bad to ship these?
No, it really isn't. It really isn't. We paid $45 and it sells for like $200.
And they usually sell really quick.
Yes, they do.
So, little pain to ship, but if you can do it, really good money.
Next thing. What is this? I have no clue. Andrew just bought it.
I'm gonna put a picture right here what it sells for. It's a super kind of high priced brand, like a playset brand. It's a castle, but whole bin we got it for $20, and some of these pieces people are selling them as just pieces for like 20 to 30 bucks each. And so goes for about $100, maybe even more. So not too bad.
And
You guys also saw that we took a lot of items, a lot of our inventory that we got at the 301 Endless Yard Sale that we showed a couple episodes ago. We also got a lot of games that weekend. Just a lot of good games, but some really not going to be worth our time for like $5, $10. We like to take all those games that we can't really sell for a lot on eBay. We bundle them up, give them to Ed McKay, which is a trading store in our town that sells like DVDs, games, all that electronics and
Board
stuff like
games,
that.
stuff
So
like
we like to take those items that are not selling for us, trade them in for credit, and hopefully buy some items that can sell for really good money and sell quick too.
we'll take like sometimes 50 to 100 games and then turn it into like one item that'll sell super fast.
Right.
It just gets rid of a lot of hassle
Yeah.
and work. First one we got was Jazz Jackrabbit. Is that what it is?
Yeah, Jazz
Yeah.
Rabbit.
So this, I don't even know, what were the comps on this one? You saw them.
Yeah, so there's one comp on here it was selling for $130. Yeah, but that's $20 lower than that.
Yeah.
$130, but it didn't have the manual on eBay. This one has the manual.
Yeah.
And similar comps to that condition, people have posted for $300 to $500. So again, probably gonna try to price it at like $250 to $300 and undercut everyone.
Yep. We picked up two Wii Sports, complete with manual. Paid $13 a piece for them in store credit, and they usually will sell for like 20 or 25 a piece.
Yeah. Quick sellers too.
Nintendo Switch games, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. That sells for like 20. And these Texas Instrument calculators. This one's actually pretty good. It's the TI-84 Plus C Silver. This goes for like 60. They had it marked up a little bit high, which is what they usually do. And then this one sells for like 60 or 70, and they had it only for 50.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Oh, and one last thing. If you have Mario Kart and can find the wheels for the Wii, the value of it upgrades like crazy for some reason. So we paid $5 a piece for these, and we have a Mario Kart Wii game that we should be able to raise the price on by at least another $20.
Yeah. A reminder, those prices are paid with credit. So those are the items we got. So we probably only had $100 maybe into those games, if that. But a lot of the times we take all the good games that are going to sell really quick, really fast, and for good money. And if I tell you guys anything, don't sit on dead inventory. If there's inventory you cannot sell,
Yeah.
or it's going to take really long to sell, or just isn't going to be worth your time. In this business, it's time is money. So if you can find a different way to trade those items in, to find some really good items that will sell really quick and for really good money, it's worth
Yeah.
it. Don't just sit on stuff that is going to be really tough to sell.
Or even turning a lot of items into one. Then that's one thing you have to package, one thing you have to pay packaging material for, one thing you have to list. It just makes it so much easier. It's crazy.
Yeah. Again, thanks guys for joining us. This has been awesome for you guys to, if this is your first video watching, thank you for joining us. If this is not your first video watching, thank you for supporting us and continue to support us. We've seen huge growth in the last couple weeks, which is awesome to see. So,
From the Flippin' Thrift headquarters, thank you guys again for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed or commented or liked, please do that. And if you have, thanks so much and keep it up. And we'll be doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Right now we're at like 350, so we're getting close. So yeah, hang on for that, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.
see ya!